Chapter 5.1 Creating Game Loop Using For Loop. 3. How to skip repetition in for loop.
How can I skip part of the repetition?
You can skip part of the repetition using the continue statement. The continue statement can skip the current iteration of the loop and the control flow of the program goes to the next repetition. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The loop is started with I equals 0. When I equals 3, the loop is skipped with the continue statement and restarted with I equal 4. Let's run this code. The fourth of the 8 aliens is drawn skipped.